Let's find the area of a parallelogram with base 10 centimeters and height 2.5 centimeters. We want to begin by writing the formula for the area of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is given by A equals base times the height. Once I have the formula written, I can substitute the values for B and H. The base is 10 centimeters, and the height is 2.5 centimeters. Now I can think of multiplying 10 times 2.5 and then centimeters times centimeters. 10 times 2.5 is 25. And if you think of centimeters times centimeters, that's the unit square centimeters. And my area should be in square centimeters for this problem. So the area of the parallelogram is 25 square centimeters.